Hello guys, hope you can hear me. I have the printer printing in the same room, so hopefully it will be okay. So, I'm gonna be quick because I don't have so much battery on the phone. I've always liked these rolls. This is from Clas Ohlson actually, but it is a rebrand of Flashforge. I don't know if anyone knows this, but it has these small nooks here. And I already made adapters that you can use so you can spool them. And for these adapters I have also made what is basically inserts with weights. And the only thing I found that actually fitted, I bought these 605ZZ ball bearings from Temu, and then I made this insert here. I printed this with PLA 0.2 nozzle. This works as a holder for the ball bearings, and then you have an enclosure like this. Fits in there. And then you have the other side. Fits like this. And then you will of course have another lock on the other side. So when you have it like this, it's like there, and then you have this here. And I made these so they are super tight against these, so that when you put them in your AMS, you literally have inside weight, which is about 250 grams. I'm just going to show you on the scale how much it weighs. Maybe a little bit over 250 grams. So 480 grams total is the weight of the spool now, with the counterweights inside. And that is really nice to avoid the spool from jumping when you're reaching the end of the spool. So I hope you like this design, and I hope you will use it. And I'm just going to show you quickly the top parts. Hang on. The lids themselves I print with a normal supported interface like this. And it's, I'm just going to show you quickly how you remove that. So basically, the supports are sideways like this, so you go in and you try and lift one of the sides, just get it out, and then you go in from the side here, and if you're lucky you will get a one pull here of the PETG. So this is PLA and that's PETG, and then you can see the inside surface looks really smooth. That's basically, there's two sides to this. As I said, if you're lucky you can get under the PETG on the first get-go. Then everything just comes up as one piece. There, and all you need to do is then print the inside. And then you have to get the ball bearings. It takes 64 of these 605 ZZ or 605 RS ball bearings. Basically it just refers to if they are closed or not. Looks like this. How much do each of these weigh? grams. So you need 64 of those, and then you have your weight. So that's what I made. I hope you like it, and I'll leave the link in the description below for the adapters for the spools, as well as the insert for the weights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.